Have you ever wondered that despite your best efforts, patterns keep repeating in your life? Be it your relationship, your finance, your career, or for that matter, even health. Sometimes it looks as if life is moving in a circle and just not moving forward. Let me tell you a cosmic truth. This body could be new in this lifetime, but your souls are very, very ancient and would have lived 1,000 lives before. From every past life of us, the soul carries some imprint with it. These imprints could be of unresolved traumas, unresolved conflicts, some spells, some black magic, or for that matter, some karmic contracts and cords we would have established in our previous lives, even inadvertently. These energetic imprints keep sitting silently on the energetic field until it starts showing up as blockages in every area of life. Hi, my name is Aparajita and I am a multi-dimensional therapist and a spiritual cartographer. I work with rare and very ancient divination tools like the Mokshapata, the Akashic therapy, the runes, the Ramal astrology, multi-dimensional frequency as well as past life regression. Why? I feel every soul is unique and has the innate capacity to heal itself completely, provided you know when and what to do at the right time. Soul profiling is done once in a lifetime with the help of Akashic records. The soul profile reveals the origin of the soul and the current life purpose. In fact, it gives information about unresolved karmic baggages and unresolved conflicts from our past. Many of the answers for your current problems, like repeated patterns in your various areas of your life, why this particular thing is happening in this particular area of my life, the answer to such questions can be got by doing a soul profiling with the help of Akashic records. And with the help of Akashic therapy, you can dissolve all your karmic contracts and cords and ties from your previous life and move forward in your life and heal completely. The soul journey is done with the help of a divination tool called Mokshapata. There are 72 boxes in the divination tool, and each box reveals something about your soul journey. The soul journey, when done, reveals your life with all ups and downs as is from the age of 0 to 95 years. Well, we may not be able to repair our past, but you will get answers for all your past problems because the common question the human being asked is, why me? So the answer for all your why me can be got from the predictions done by this Mokshapata board. And in case of future, the board is so precise and accurate in telling that at what age you will get into this bad company, or when and at which age, due to lack of mercy or lack of charity, you will go down in life, or at which age, due to anger or greed, there will be a slowdown in your life. So the prediction is so accurate, and the board also gives you clarity and guidance to do the course correction and repair and take our life smoothly. Please try it once. Let us not forget our ancestors. Our ancestors who left us prematurely due to some illness or accidents or suicide or murder all leave their unfinished lives which continues through you. Even those children which got aborted or we suffered a miscarriage also leave energetic imprints which affects the siblings that are going to come in the family. Healing oneself from the ancestral baggage is just not healing, it's a big, big liberation. Energy is real and there is both good and bad energy. Dense energies like black magic, hidden black magic, curses, spells do exist, not because you believe in them, but because someone else used them. Dense energies tend to attract misfortune in all areas of your life and creates blockages and in fact isolates you completely. But I am here to say that healing is possible, protection is possible, and in fact freedom is possible from all these dense energies, and you can rewrite your destiny. Of all the things that I do, there is one important thing that you should know about me is that I foster 261 blind and handicapped dogs in my foundation called as the Fosters Foundation. These dogs were such dogs that once adorned big houses but later on got abandoned due to their illness, or maybe they got elegant. I strongly believe that healing is not only for human beings, but even these other species, these voiceless souls, also deserve healing of all kinds. If you feel called, if you want answers, if you want to feel protected and rise, do connect with me so that we can heal together and rewrite the destiny your soul actually wants.